In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can enable autofill OTP on a verification on our phone. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So first, go to the Settings app on your iPhone and then click General. Once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to scroll down until you find this option that says Autofill and Passwords, and click this option. Now it's going to bring you to this page, and on this page you simply have to turn this option on that says Autofill Passwords and Passkeys. You can see it says automatically suggests passwords, passkeys, and verification codes when signing into apps and websites. So that will autofill the verification codes or OTPs for you. And you must turn on this option that says delete after use as well for the verification codes. That way it will autofill the verification code for you and delete it after you have used it. And that's how you do it.